What's going on, guys? xxiChris, and today I have another box for you. This box kind of looks familiar, huh? mechanicalkeyboards.com. So this package just came in. I ordered this a couple days ago, so actually the shipping was less than a week. I think it was like maybe 3 or 4 business days. So maybe if I ordered on Monday, it came on Thursday. So I'm excited to see what we have in store for you. Obviously from the title above, you know what this is. It is Cherry MX Reds. I'm so excited to play with this one because I've had Cherry MX Blues, blue switches, and then brown. That's the only ones that I've ever experienced with. So I haven't personally owned a Cherry MX Red, and I'm excited to see what we have in store, how Fortnite is gonna play, how typing is gonna feel and sound. So this box is bigger and heavier than the normal ones that I've unboxed before. And then we just have this. Pulling this in, we got Ducky One 2, Ducky One 2, dimensions, weight, made in Taiwan, Cherry MX mechanical switches inside, Ducky One 2, TKL 10 keyless, Cherry RGB, oh my god, 1 2, 1 2, case is white, Cherry RGB red. So before I open the box, I'm gonna show you this. I have the 60% keyboard Cherry MX Silent Red. So 60% Silent Red, TKL Cherry MX Reds. That's gonna be a cool comparison. Opening up the box. OMG. And it has the space bar of the year. I don't think it's the year of the rat, but we can check that out. Bada boom, bada bing. Let's move this to the side. Ducky One series user manual. 1 series, but this is 1 2. Whatever. What is this? A warranty card probably? Oh no, sorry. Just user manual. It says where I guess 2 user manuals. I don't know. Let's open this up. OMG, something just fell. So this is a space bar. Wow, it feels like a good quality feel to that space bar. Keycap remover, extra keycaps, it's blue. I thought it was gonna be red, but hey. I actually use this too. This is a very convenient like little strap. Moving the box aside, let's get to the main attraction. First reveal, to me, to the audience, to everyone in the world. Ding. Ayum! Wow, that's so clean. Wow, I want to buy a black version now. I want to have 2 versions of it. It's so clean. Let's just admire this beauty. Holy. Bottom, nothing. Side, bada boom. Ducky One 2 switch the world. You have, oh, I love these two feet that Ducky makes. Bada boom. Then you have the second one here. You got USB-C, so if it sits like this. On the 1 2 mini, it's on the side, but this one just sits flush. Down here, on ECE 1 2 3 4, and yeah. All right, so now I'm gonna press on the keyboard. I just want to see and feel and hear the Cherry MX Reds. Wow. It's very snappy. It's not too loud like the Cherry MX Blues, but it doesn't give you that quietness like the Silent Reds, obviously. Down here you have your arrow keys, your F1 through 12, home and page up, down, delete, insert, print screen, screen lock, pause. That is nice. Now let's bring in the 60%. You can see clearly where it cuts off, and it's so precise to where they added on the arrow keys and the extra functions here. When I first bought this on mechanicalkeyboards.com, I thought I was gonna get the pinkish red keycaps, but it came with blue. I'm not sure if this is a new thing that they're sending out with these keyboards. I did see that they restocked these, and that's why I went ahead and purchased it. I thought it was gonna come with the red and pinkish type of keycaps, but no disappointment there. I was just kind of surprised. And then, as you can hear, the Cherry MX Silent Reds versus the Cherry MX Reds. Clearly this one didn't come with any special edition spacebar. This one did. F1 through 12 keys here. No F keys here. No, literally this whole piece is missing. As you notice here on the 60%, you have some of the function keys and some of the other things that it does. Versus this one that doesn't show anything under the keycap. USB-C here on the top left, or I guess on just the left of the keyboard, not the top. And this one has the USB-C on the bottom with its own little dedicated like door so you can plug in the cable. Now, as we all been waiting for, let's get into the typing test. Alright, so that's gonna conclude the video. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate all your support, the subscribers, the likes, the comments that I do get. If you guys wanna hit me up on Twitter, you have any questions, or if you have any video ideas, tweet at me. Let me know, twitter.com/xxiChris. If you want to catch me live on Twitch playing some Fortnite, it's going to be twitch.tv/xxiChris. And that should be all. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Click that like button, click that subscribe button, and tell me, do you guys prefer the 60% or the TKL? Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.